Hey there, aspiring dropshippers! Ever heard horror stories of dropshipping gone wrong? Don't let that be you. In today's video, I'm unveiling the ultimate guide to shield you from scams. This is the insider knowledge you can't afford to miss. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll be armed with the skills to spot a scam from a mile away. Let's start. Step 1. Researching and verifying suppliers. When starting your dropshipping journey, the first step is to research and verify potential suppliers. Look for reputable ones with positive reviews and a proven track record of delivering quality products. Take your time and don't rush this crucial process. Watch out for any red flags like poor customer feedback or unresolved complaints. Step 2. Contacting the supplier. Next, reach out to the supplier directly. This is an excellent way to assess their responsiveness and professionalism. Ask them questions about their products, shipping methods, and return policies. Legitimate suppliers will be transparent and provide clear answers. Pay close attention to their communication style and promptness. Step 3. Requesting samples. Before committing to a supplier, it's crucial to request product samples. This allows you to evaluate the quality firsthand. Scammers may hesitate or provide subpar samples, while legitimate suppliers will be more than willing to send you samples for inspection. This step is non-negotiable. Step 4. Checking for authenticity. Verify the legitimacy of the supplier's website and contact information. Look for clear contact details, a professional website design, and secure payment options. Scammers often have poorly designed websites or lack proper contact information. A legitimate supplier's website should exude professionalism. Step 5. Avoiding upfront fees. Exercise caution when it comes to upfront fees. Legitimate suppliers typically don't ask for significant upfront payments. They make their money through the product sales. Be wary of any supplier demanding large deposits. It could be a sign of a potential scam. Step 6. Researching payment methods. Familiarize yourself with secure payment methods such as PayPal or credit cards. These options offer buyer protection, which is crucial in the world of dropshipping. Be cautious of suppliers that only accept untraceable payment methods like wire transfers or cryptocurrency. Security should be a top priority. Step 7. Reading reviews and feedback. Search for reviews and feedback from other dropshippers who have worked with the supplier. Look for testimonials on reliable platforms or forums to get insights into their reputation and reliability. Real experiences from fellow dropshippers can provide invaluable information in your decision-making process. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to avoid dropshipping scams. Remember, thorough research and verification are key to ensuring a safe and successful dropshipping experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to EboxMan for more invaluable insights. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy dropshipping!